Bold glamour filter taking TikTok by storm. How to achieve this look in real life. So, as we've done in the past, we are starting with foundation. Again, I apply my foundation with a brush. I like the effect that it gives. It gives kind of that airbrush effect. We're going to cover our entire face. Contour is next. Each cheek or jawbone, as you would call it. Your contour should be symmetric with your jawbone. For this look, we're adding the contour very high on our forehead. And then we highlight. The highlight on this look is very high also on the forehead. And we highlight over those dramatic brows that we're going to add. Always highlight under that jawbone. Yes. Now we're going to contour or define our contour in this area, especially by the brows, because our brows are going to be so dramatic. So we want this contour a little intense. And let's get into these brows. We are going to make them extra thick. So we're just going in, filling in any spaces. And then we're working on that angle. Always short strokes when you're filling in your brows, just like the length of the hair in your brows. Short, tiny strokes. And you fill in the entire brow area. Make sure the end of the brow is to the end of the eye. And again, we want them extra dramatic, so we're filling them in and then highlight underneath. Down the nose with the highlight, and of course under the eye and across the forehead. This look calls for a lot of highlight under the eye, so make sure you blend to perfection. I like to use my hands, as I have explained before. The hand gives you the smoothest blend. It's better than any sponge. To magnify that highlight, I'm coming in with a light powder. We want it to be intense.
Beat to perfection, darling.
I go back in with the best sponge in the world. Blend out the jawline again. And now it's time for a little blush. Get those cheeks rosy and right. I use a cream blush that I actually got from Shein. The rest of this look is being achieved by the color palette that I mentioned in my Makeup for Beginners videos. Juvia's Place, Neutral, Metallics. The base of the lid is a brown. We're going to highlight the corners with a dark brown. This look is so similar to the look that I did in my Makeup for Beginners video. We do a little extra blending. And again, we add the darker color to the corner for the depth. Bring it over the lid. We add a little metallic highlight to the lid. And of course, blend, blend, and blend again. Just gorgeous. Let's highlight those brows with a light beige. I could really get used to these dramatic brows. Okay, yes. So in this filter, the filter over highlights your lips. So I'm going to the extreme edge of the lip, and then I'm going to blend out, like kind of smudge it out. I don't want to look like a Karen with my liner on the outside of my lips, but I do want to add a pout. A little mascara on the lashes, top and bottom. OMG. Do y'all see those lines in my forehead that I have to make to apply my mascara? I'm seriously considering Botox. Tell me what you think in the comments. Check yourself for symmetry. Make any necessary corrections. And just like that, we went to fabulous. Some gloss for those lips. And there you have it, the bold glamour look as seen on TikTok. Here's the filter, and here's me. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe to my channel.